Well, hello there, fellers and fellettes. This here is Rick Wilson. Welcome to OAM Garage. As I said before, I work on many things. And if you remember my truck I bought not too long ago, listen to this. Well, for those of you who are mechanically inclined, that ain't a good sound. So, what I'm going to allow you to do is look over my shoulder. This here is a 2002 Ford F100 V8. And I was driving down the road the other day, and I heard it go clunk, clunk, and then boom on this wheel. So it's not the bearing. I think I've lost either a clip or something, because it's making noise, it's dragging, and I had to limp it back to my house. I was only about 3 miles away, so I ended up turning around and coming back. So I'm going to have to take this here wheel off, because I'm pretty sure I don't know what I'm doing. And so I'm going to allow you to look over my shoulder, because you do know what you're doing. So you can tell me and I'll follow along. But I do know the first thing I need to do is take this wheel off. So I'm going to do that, alright? Alright then, let's get started. Oh, and for you fellers that tuned in for me to work on my 52, I'm sorry. That ain't going to be this one. So if you need to go and change to another channel, go ahead. Let's go. You're still here. Well, thank you. By the way, last time I looked, I had 452. 452. We're going for 5. Let's go. Alright, so wait. Let's get it started right. By the way, I don't know if y'all, all that noise you're hearing is these cicadas. I've named this one Bobby, so he's up here watching me. He ain't doing too good. I don't think he's gonna make it. Anyway, if you can hear me good Lord, I know all them last ones I just got through doing, man, the cicadas was loud. Between that and the horse flies, yeah. Alright, let's see what we got here. Put on the back. Yes, I have the back chalked up. Going the right way. Alright, let's see what this thing is. Watching? Where'd I put that? You remind me later. Alright. Look how long this thing is. No, all right now. I'm washing the spacer. I don't know what in the world. I can knock this stupid thing out. Also, my neighbor across the street decided he needed a bush hog today. And on Sunday at that. close. Hey, Tammy. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Philip. Hey, Billy. Y'all think Billy's a man, it ain't, it's a woman. Lord. How much trouble you are. What do you think, Bobby? Them big old red eyes of yours. Alright, now we go. Lord, I hope I don't have to go through all that on every one of them. Alright, let's try it. Alright, don't you do it. Alright. Yeah, I could have sprayed them first, but what fun would that be? Why are you doing that? You're not putting any batteries. Why are you doing that? Oh, okay. The mode you're in, I guess. Alright. You drive out, stick it right there. Safe keeping. Wait a minute, where'd Bobby go? Lay down on me. Stay right there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what surprise we got. Well, there's what I thought it was. Got a pin loose. Gone. That ain't supposed to be doing that. So, oh, that whole bolt's gone. That's what it is. Alright, so until I can get a bolt, I guess we're done right here. Alright, fellas. I just realized that for some reason I just recorded just about a whole segment. Didn't get none of it recorded. Just to let you know, listen to that. It's quiet again. It wasn't anything but a caliper bolt that had dropped out that was causing my caliper to do this number. I was able to put that back on there. So I got it on, and I'm sorry you didn't get to see that, but it wasn't that exciting. But here's what I want to tell you, or say to you, is that when I went down to O'Reilly's, I found out that Don doesn't work there anymore. He was my go-to man at O'Reilly's. Good man. He had family emergency, and he's had to move back to Mississippi. He was transferred. He got him a good job over there, just 15 minutes from his house or so. But here's what I want you to do. I want you to pray for him. I want you to pray for him and his family, that his emergency, that is within God's will what happens, okay? But anyway, Charles, all you prayer warriors, y'all pray for Don, okay? All right? Well, I think what I'm going to do here, since this is going to be a pretty short one, is I'm going to go ahead at the end of this, and I'm going to run, I've already got it made up for what's going to be coming up for Thursday, my 1 Minute Monday, and I'll just tag it on the end of this so you can watch that as well. I'll go ahead and get this one edited. And fellas, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all Thursday. Oh, wait a minute. Before you go, I got to ask you something else. Please don't litter, okay? Please don't litter. It just ain't pretty. Alright? So, y'all be sweet. I guess we do need to take her for a test ride, huh? Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, we're looking for scraping sound. Yard this is. We just ain't gonna mind me turn around. Come sit. That's my yard. Alright. Gotta get through this mud hole. Made it perfectly. Man, I'm so glad it wasn't nothing but a boat. That is awesome. Here I am coming up to my house. So we're good to go. There's one of these. I've got 3. There's more 50, 55 on them. Alright, let's pack this thing in. Alright, that's it. Good enough. Y'all be sweet. Well, hello, fellers and fellettes. Welcome to OAM Garage. I am so happy to have you here. I'm not trying to prepare it for painting. I'm just getting rid of rust, that's all. And like I said before, I don't want to put all this time and money in it if all I'm doing is driving around a rusty truck that's going to fall apart. You know I love you. Y'all be, yeah, and come on back, all right then? All right.